Exercise 6.1 problem 2 discussion. In the figure, AP equal to 3 cm, AR equal to 4.5 cm, AQ equal to 6 cm, AB equal to 5 cm, and AC equal to 10 cm. Find the length of AD. So they have given various measurements 3, 2, 4.5, 6 and 4. But they have not mentioned anything about parallel, which is parallel to which, right? All these things are not mentioned here. So that's a key point you'll have to note down. So they have given various measurements. Right, now we are supposed to find the length of AD, but if one look at it, you can see, they have given two sides, the AP they have given and PB they have given. So we can just check, this is 3 by 2, this is 6 by 4, 6 by 4 is 3 by 2. So which means AP by PB is equal to AQ by QC, which means by Thales theorem, PQ is parallel to BC. So if PQ is parallel to BC, then PR is parallel to BD, right? Because half of it, right? So if PR is parallel to BD, then AP by PB will be equal to AR by RD. So which means from which you can calculate RD. Once you know RD, you can calculate AD, right? So this is the key. So what we are asked to find AD, and they given all these measurements. The moment they give all these measurements, you can see it is applicable. So this is Thales theorem. So Thales theorem is what? BPT, proportionality theorem, right? So proportionality theorem is the two. Whenever a line is drawn parallel to the third side, it divides the other two sides in a proportional way. So proportionality theorem or Thales theorem is applicable in this case, but they have not given the condition that PQ is parallel to BC. So you'll have to first prove that and then keep moving forward. Okay. So given are the various measurements of the triangle, we need to calculate AD, which is the formula, the hint is a Thales theorem, right? Step 1, draw the figure and mark the given information on it. Prove PQ is parallel to BC and PR is parallel to BD, because the key is they have given all the measurements, and we also know that this is more to do with Thales theorem. But the key point is Thales theorem is applicable only when PQ is parallel to BC. So the first step is to prove PQ is parallel to BC and then use Thales theorem, right? Because once this is done, then Thales theorem comes into picture. Then you can find out the fourth side using Thales theorem. Apply Thales theorem and get RD. Right, that's all it is. I'm just giving a brief outline of how to do the problem. Please pause the video and try to do the problem on your own, and on completion, please come back and check your working against our solution. Right, once we know, sorry, I missed this point. Once we know RD, then you'll be able to calculate AD. AD is nothing but AR plus RD. Okay, so pause the video and try to work out the problem. The solution. The various measurements are given. AP is 3 cm, PB is, AP is 3 cm, PB is calculated, and AR is given 4.5 cm, AQ is 6 cm, and AB is 5 cm, and AC is 10 cm. I missed this in the step. So the first step will be to calculate PB and QC. Then only the proportionality theorem or the Thales theorem will be applicable. Okay, so please add this in the step. So how will you calculate PB? You know AB and you know AP. So which means AB minus PB will be, sorry, AB minus AP will be equal to PB. Similarly, AC minus AQ will be equal to QC. So using that, calculate PB. PB is 5 minus 3, that is 2, and AC is how much? AC is given as 10. So 10 minus 6, that will be equal to 4 centimeter, right? So now you know PB and QC. So which means in this triangle, you know all these 4 measurements, and all you need to do is check, find out AP by PB, that is 3 by 2. Find out AQ by QC, that is 6 by 4, which is again 3 by 2. And you can see AP by PB equal to AQ by AC, QC, that's equal to 3 by 2. This by this equal to this by this. So by converse of Thales theorem, we can say that PQ is parallel to BC. What does Thales theorem say? When PQ is parallel to BC, AP by PB equal to AQ by QC. Conversely, if AP by PB equal to AQ by QC, PQ is parallel to BC. So this is application of converse of Thales theorem. Okay, and so we are getting PQ is parallel to BC. Once you know PQ is parallel to BC, PR is parallel to BD, correct? Because it's the same line. Half of PQ is PR, half of BC is BD. So if PQ is parallel to BC, PR must be also parallel to BD. So once PR is parallel to BD, then you can apply Thales theorem, which means AP by PB will be equal to AR by RD. Right? That's what we have written. AP by PB equal to AR by RD. So then you substitute all these values, you'll be able to get what will you get? 3 by 2 will be equal to 4.5 divided by RD. So 3 by 2 will be equal to 4.5 by RD, or RD will be equal to 4.5 by 3 into 2. So this is 1.5 into 2, that is 3 centimeter. So now we have RD equal to 3 centimeter, and we are asked to calculate AD. What is AD? AD is AR plus RD. So AD is AR plus RD. So that's equal to 4.5 plus 3, that's 7.5 centimeter. You got it? So let's recap it. So first step, they have given you AP, they have given you AR, they have given you AQ, and they have given you AB and AC. So first find PB and QC. Then find the ratio AP by PB and AQ by QC. And if they are equal, apply converse of Thales theorem, and once you apply, PQ becomes parallel to BC. So when PQ is parallel to BC, PR is parallel to BD, which means you can apply Thales theorem to this triangle ABD, right? So which means it will get AP by PB will be equal to AR by RD. Substitute all these three values and get the fourth value RD. Once you get RD, AR plus RD equal to AD. You got it? So I hope I made this problem clear. If not, please go through this problem one more time. It will become clear. Thanks for watching this video.